So you may remember last summer with Awesome HVAC Grayson, I filmed a lot of these old Magic Chef air conditioners. Here I come back and film a few more of them. Johnson series, this one is running. Thing is working really good. Friction line's ice cold. Moving some pretty cool air actually. I think this one's off. Let's see. Yeah. There's the compressor. A few more units in here. A little Nordine that's running. Goodman reciprocating compressor. Not sure if you heard that. The Magic Chef just fired up. 2-ton from 2005 for this Nordine. Started up. Basically the same duo right there. The Nordine and Magic Chef. These are actually comfort range. This one's relatively quiet. Here's 4 more Magic Chefs. There, one of these actually might be running. No, these are all off. And this caught my eye. There's a DuroGuard that's been spray painted dark green. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And then there's a pretty new looking Goodman. 2023 2-ton. It's working decently. Quickly get the data on this unit. 2002, 25,000 BTU, 2-ton. Some old round unit right here. Okay. Here's the data sheet. It's some kind of York product. Probably a Coleman F-Bond. From 1993. It looks like it's a 2-ton, I think. And that is ice cold and sweaty. It's working really good. There's a DuroGuard next to it. There's a little Train XP1000 and a Chamitrol right there. I'm not going to get the data on any of these other units, so it's pretty risky around here. Here's an old round one. Looks just like the unit at my great-grandparents' house. Looks like it's got 4 blades. There's the compressor down there. There are tons of people around here. Let's see. has not been running, unfortunately. There's the data tag. It's gone. Illegible. Just wanted to get a quick shot of that.